Recently, I came across an interesting quote by Naval Ravikant that got me thinking, the older the problem, the older the solution. Over the past 8 years, I've been focused on personal development with a specific goal in mind: breaking free from the constraints of a corporate career and achieving both time and financial freedom. To make my aspirations more concrete, I set a clear target: generating a monthly income of $20,000 while enjoying a flexible lifestyle. Like many others, I explored various avenues including dropshipping, trading, affiliate marketing, and the philosophy of taking consistent action. However, I couldn't shake the feeling that something essential was missing. Gradually, it became clear that the missing piece might be an internal transformation that needed to happen before any external changes. This realization led me to delve into mindset work, which involved morning routines, meditation, affirmations, rituals, and even unique physical exercises. Despite all these efforts, I remained convinced that there was a barrier within me hindering my progress. I had an epiphany that this internal obstacle might be the key to the whole puzzle. Perhaps I needed to change from within to unlock the doors of my desired external reality. This insight prompted me to explore further, drawing inspiration from the wisdom of ancient cultures and their teachings. What emerged from this journey was the power of visualization. Surprisingly, various traditions such as yoga, Taoism, Hermeticism, and Kabbalah all emphasize the practice of visualization. This discovery was a significant awakening for me. Amidst the multitude of practices I had tried during my 8-year personal development journey, one stood out: visualization. Mastering the art of visualization became the foundation of my success. I left behind my corporate job and launched a business that truly ignited my passion. It quickly grew into a 7-figure venture, earning me over $1 million annually. There are days when I wake up in disbelief, wondering if this is reality or a dream. Nevertheless, I firmly believe in the transformative power of visualization. I believe that if you were to focus on mastering just one technique, proper visualization, and consistently practice it over time, you would experience profound changes in your life. In this discussion, my goal is to delve into the intricacies of effective visualization and empower you to create your personalized visualization system. This system consists of 3 essential components that have the potential to propel you toward achieving your most cherished goals. Welcome to The Circle, where we explore the incredible power of visualization. Today, we'll learn how to turn your dreams into a reality. Let's dive in! Defining visualization. Visualization, it's like daydreaming but with a mission. You close your eyes, venture into your mind, and start painting vivid mental pictures of what you want in life. It's like designing your own movie, and you are the star. It's not just a random daydream. It's a focused mental workout paired with relaxation techniques. The most detailed your mental movies, the better. How to visualize. Get ready to dive into your mind's movie theater. Alright, now it's time to get practical. Find a cozy spot where you won't be interrupted. Think of it as your secret superhero lair. Close your eyes, take some deep breaths, and let's embark on our mental adventure. Imagine achieving your goals, and I mean every detail counts. If you're dreaming of winning that award at work, picture the whole ceremony. Your name being called, your fabulous outfit, and that feeling of holding that award. The science behind visualization. Mind magic and brain gym. Let's geek out a bit about the science behind this. Our brains don't really know the difference between what we imagine and what we actually do. So, when you visualize your success, your brain believes you've already aced it. Did you know that basketball players can improve their shots just by picturing it? Mind-blowing, right? Your brain is a muscle, and visualization is the workout routine that gets you in shape for success. How visualization can transform your life. Now let's talk about how visualization can make you the superhero of your own life. Number 1. Supercharged performance. Ever felt like your focus is as fleeting as a squirrel's attention span? Visualization is like a superhero training. By practicing it regularly, you're honing your superpower of concentration. You can tackle your task with laser-like precision, even in a world of never-ending distractions. Number 2. Defeat anxiety like a boss. Imagine facing your arch nemesis, public speaking anxiety, and emerging victorious. Visualization can help you crush your fears. Visualizing yourself nailing that presentation or speech, and you'll stride into the room with the confidence of a superhero. Number 3. Discover your heroic path. In our crazy, fast-paced lives, it's easy to lose track of what we truly want. Visualization acts as your trusty compass, guiding you to your inner treasure chest of desires and goals. You'll gain superhero-level clarity about what truly matters to you. Number 4. Stress? Not a match for your superpowers. When the world becomes too stressful for you, visualization is your super shield. It's your secret tool for escaping the chaos and calming your mind. You are the boss of your thoughts, and you can even use visualization to chill out before bedtime. The following are actual real-life examples of the use of visualization. Number 1. Athletes visualizing success. Professional athletes use visualization extensively to enhance their performance. Number 2. Job interviews and visualization. Before an important job interview, candidates often engage in visualization exercises. They envision themselves walking into the interview room, reading the panel confidently, and answering questions with poise. Number 3. Entrepreneurs and goal achievement. Successful entrepreneurs frequently use visualization to manifest their business goals. This process of mental goal setting keeps them motivated and focused on their vision. Number 4. Public speaking and visualization. Public speakers employ visualization techniques to conquer stage fright and deliver compelling presentations. They mentally walk through their entire speech, picturing themselves engaging the audience, delivering key points, and handling questions with confidence. Number 5. Academic success and visualization. Students can benefit from visualization to improve their academic performance. Before an exam, a student might close their eyes and picture themselves calmly answering questions, recalling facts, and earning a high grade. This process reduces test anxiety, enhances memory retention, and boosts confidence. Visualization encourages a positive mindset that can lead to better academic outcomes. Number 6. Weight loss and healthy lifestyle visualization. Individuals striving for weight loss or a healthier lifestyle can use visualization to stay motivated. They can visualize themselves making nutritious food choices, enjoying exercise, and achieving their desired weight and fitness level. Number 7. Creativity and problem solving. Professionals in creative fields, such as writers and designers, employ visualization to spark creativity and find solutions to challenges. Writers may visualize scenes and characters in their stories, while designers may mentally prototype new products or visualize innovative design concepts. In these real-life examples, visualization isn't just a mental exercise. It's a practical tool for improving performance, managing stress, achieving goals, and boosting confidence. It's about harnessing the power of the mind to enhance various aspects of life, from sports and career success to academic achievements and personal well-being. Visualization serves as a valuable technique for turning aspirations into accomplishments. Thanks for joining us on this journey into visualization mastery. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll continue to discover simple ways to enhance our lives. Your potential is limitless.